everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going over how to add an IMD device to a Cirval 200. First step, find the two hex bolts at the base of the regulator and remove them using a 5mm hex wrench. Set these screws aside as they will be reused. Remove the flange and make sure to remove the two O-rings. Remove strainer if installed. Make sure the O-ring inside is removed as well. It may be attached to the strainer, or it may fall off in the regulator body. Your kit should have 3 O-rings, a brass cartridge, and a new strainer. Make sure an O-ring is installed in the new strainer. Whenever installing a new O-ring, use a dab of O-ring lubricant. Attach the new strainer onto the brass cartridge. Insert the O-rings into the IMD body as shown. Make sure to use some O-ring lubricant on each new O-ring. Now note the arrow on the IMD. This shows from which side to start when sliding on the brass cartridge. Slide the cartridge firmly into place. Making sure gaskets remain in place, attach the IMD to the regulator body. Insert the 2 hex bolts back into place and tighten them with a 5mm hex wrench. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out our channel for additional content on all things natural gas. If you have any questions, our experts are always here to help.